Choosing the right installer for your solar system can mean the difference in having somebody to service and maintain that system in the future. We see so many orphaned systems in the marketplace every day. We're getting phone calls from customers with systems on their roof where the installer or the sales company is no longer around. You really need to choose your installer, choose your sales company to ensure they're going to be around to honour the warranties, honour their service and maintenance obligations for that system to ensure that you have a happy and well-performing system for many years to come. You got a smart meter in there?
Yeah, I've got a smart meter connected to the Fronius, just single phase.
And this was pre-wired or?
They had some pre-wiring up into the roof for the DC, and they'd also run an AC cable into the switchboard for us.
Yeah, perfect. So new build, nice and easy.
Nice and easy, plenty of room, everything's going very well.
We don't subcontract our work. We have a team of electricians and apprentices and qualified roofers amongst our staff to ensure that the system gets installed correctly the first time, every time. System's producing 4,482 watts. So, you know, for a north-west split, that's pretty good going on this sort of day. So systems that are installed poorly, for starters, can ruin the aesthetics of your house. And your house can be sometimes the largest investment you own. So panels overhanging ridges, panels that aren't maintaining clamp zones, messy conduit at switchboards, inverters in the wrong location, all of this can add to a poor experience and a poor quality or crap solar system on your roof. So at the end of the day, a poor quality system will mean less dollars in your pocket, wasted money on your roof, landfill from panels that need to be removed and replaced in a few years' time, and wasted government money in STCs.